Grate the cucumber into slices and lay them lengthwise on the board. Wet the cucumbers with a dry napkin to remove excess moisture. Add 1 layer of cream cheese. Lay the salmon on top. Cut the avocado, take out the stone and cut 1/2 into thin slices. Spread the avocado on the salmon at the base of cucumbers. Then wrap the roll. Put in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Cut the meal into rolls and enjoy the amazing taste of this snack. Thanks for watching and enjoy your meal.